Raghav, what are we going to learn today?
Bathroom.
Bathroom. I mean the things those are in bathroom, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what is this first thing. What is this, Raghav?
Geyser.
What do we do with geyser?
It gives us hot water
It gives us hot water, right?
and cold water.
No, it takes cold water and gives us hot water.
Yes.
Okay. What is this next, Raghav?
Shower.
Shower. What is the purpose of a shower?
Shower. We bath.
Bath. Okay. So the water comes from the top, right? Like a rain.
Yeah.
Huh?
Rain.
Okay. What is this, Raghav?
Tap.
What happens with the tap?
Tap. We wash our water.
We get water from the tap.
Yeah.
Okay. With that water, you can do anything.
Yeah.
Okay. You can wash your hand. You can wash your face. Okay. Anything. So a tap in the bathroom gives you water.
Yeah. When the handle goes like this,
Yes.
the
When
water-
you turn the handle, water will come out.
you will turn the handle, it will not come out.
Okay. So when you are not using water, you should close the tap
Yeah.
to save
Water.
water.
Yeah.
You should not waste water.
Yeah.
Okay?
It's very bad habit.
Yes. So you should save water.
Otherwise, we will thirsty.
Yes. Very good, Raghav.
What is
Okay.
this?
Let's see what is this next one.
Toilet.
Toilet. What do you do with a toilet?
Toilet, we do potty.
Very good. Potty. Very good.
Yes.
This is the spelling. Spell it, Raghav.
Toilet.
Very good, Raghav. Next, what is this, Raghav?
Wash machine.
Wash machine.
Wash machine.
Wash machine. Okay. What do we do in the wash machine?
Wash machine, we wash our hands.
Very
and
good.
Wash our face.
Very good. Raghav knows everything. Very good. Okay. Tell me what is this, Raghav?
Tub.
What do we do with the tub?
We bath.
You bathe, right? Okay. Next,
Mirror.
mirror.
Yeah.
Do you use mirror?
Yeah.
What do you do with the mirror?
We see ourselves.
Ourselves. We see ourselves, right?
Yeah.
Right. Very good. What is this, Raghav? Talcum powder.
Talcum powder.
We apply on our body, right? And what is this?
Soap.
Soap. Do you use soap while bathing?
Yeah.
What it does, soap?
It gives us. It take out all the germs.
Yes, it cleanses your body.
Yeah.
All the darts, germs, viruses,
Bacteria.
bacteria, all are cleaned from your body.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. What is this?
Bucket.
Bucket. In the bucket, what do we do?
We put water, then we bath.
Ah, very good. So you keep your water in the bucket. You open the tap, and the water is collected in the bucket.
Yeah.
Right? What is this, Raghav?
Mug. Mug, we take water and throw.
Yes. So from the tap, water comes to the bucket. Then using the mug, you take water from the bucket and
Like this, and like this, and like this.
and you pour on yourself. Right? Very good. Let's see what these two.
This is toothpaste, this toothbrush and toothpaste.
Okay. What you do with these two? Toothpaste and toothbrush?
Toothbrush, we put toothpaste on it, then we brush like this.
Huh? Okay. How many times one should brush, Raghav?
2 times a day.
Okay. First time when?
When we go to sleep, we brush
Okay.
our
That is at the night before going to sleep.
and earlier we brush.
Again, when you get up, you do the brush again.
Yeah.
That way you can keep your mouth clean.
Yeah.
No bad breath. Right?
Look, my teeth is clean.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Let's see whether Raghav knows it or not.
Comb.
What you do with the comb?
Comb we.
You comb your hair, right?
Yeah.
Fine,
It
fine.
looks like brush.
Brush. Okay, what is this?
Towel.
Towel. What do you do with a towel?
After bathing, we wipe ourselves.
Yes. After bathing, our body is wet, right?
Yeah.
We can dry our body using a towel.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what else we have here. What is this, Raghav?
Alarm clock.
Alarm clock. What it does?
It does when we wake up. Is it?
No. What happens? If you set an alarm for a time, it will wake you up.
Yeah.
If you want to get up at 7 a.m., you set an alarm for 7 a.m. At 7 a.m., the alarm will goes on. Then you will get up. Okay. Let's see what is this, Raghav. Oh, these all things are in bedroom. Okay. Fine. Okay. What is this, Raghav? Wardrobe.
Wardrobe.
What we keep in the wardrobe, Raghav?
We keep our dresses and shirts.
Very good. And what is this?
This is
Curtains.
curtains. Curtain, we close the window.
Yes.
And open the windows.
Very good. We use curtains to close and open the windows so that the sunlight will not come inside.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, what we have here? What is this, Raghav?
Dressing table.
Dressing table. What do we do with dressing table?
We see ourselves there.
Ourselves, right?
And we look.
Okay. What is this?
Air conditioner.
AC. What happens with an air conditioner?
It gives us cold, heater.
No. When it is hot outside, it makes the room cold.
Yeah.
If you are feeling hot, you switch on the AC, you will feel cold.
Outside this is a fan.
Yes, outside there is a fan. Okay. What is this? Frame.
Frame.
Picture frame.
Picture frame.
You can put your picture in that frame and fix on the wall.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
What is this?
Pillow.
Pillow. And what is this?
Bed.
What use we do with pillow and bed?
Pillow, we sleep on it.
And bed?
Bed, we sleep on it.
Okay. We sleep on the bed and keep our head on the pillow.
Yeah.
What is this, Raghav? Can you tell me?
This is table lamp.
Table. This is a table. This is a table lamp. Okay. This is a table. This is called side table.
Yeah.
That is kept beside the bed. Okay. You can keep your book. You can keep your mobile phone on that side table.
Yeah.
And this is a table lamp. You can use it for reading.
Yeah.
All those things you can use. Oh. Then Raghav, did you like it? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, very much.
So, okay, Raghav.
Friends, did you like this video? Give us a thumbs up. Press the subscribe button. Then we will see you in next video. Until then, bye-bye.
Bye.